Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a versatile and nutritious legume that has been a dietary staple in many cultures for centuries. Packed with essential nutrients, chickpeas offer a range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. Chickpea is a good source of important vitamins such as riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, folate, and the vitamin A precursor B-carotene. Here are top 12 benefits of chickpeas for health and wellness. Rich in protein, chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein, crucial for muscle building, repair, and overall body maintenance. High in fiber. They are loaded with dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and magnesium in chickpeas help reduce cholesterol levels and blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. Regulates blood sugar. Chickpeas have a low glycemic index and high fiber content, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with diabetes. Aids in weight management. High in fiber and protein, chickpeas help you feel full longer, reducing overall calorie intake and assisting in weight management. Boosts energy. They provide complex carbohydrates and iron, offering a sustained release of energy and combating fatigue. Rich in antioxidants. Chickpeas contain antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenol, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Supports bone health. The calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in chickpeas are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Chickpeas provide essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and nutrients in chickpeas contribute to healthy skin and can help reduce signs of aging. Supports immune system. The nutrients in chickpeas, particularly zinc and vitamin B6, help strengthen the immune system. Anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in chickpeas have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.